Ever since Bitcoin and cryptocurrency became popular, thousands of websites out there were made. However, some of these websites' offers are just overrated and very different from what they promised. But for this video, I will show you the best, secured, and 100% legit ways to earn free Bitcoin just by using your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto videos. For today's video, I am going to show you how you can make about 1.4 Bitcoin with the use of your phones. Pretty amazing, right? So, if you will do this correctly, you can easily achieve this one. And as you know, cryptocurrencies are still on trend right now. And don't worry, this method is available to everyone and is legit and safe. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Today, we are going to make use of 3 different websites. The first one would be the site called CryptoTab Browser. What's great about this one is it's available for both Android, mobile phones, and computers. So, in that way, you can both use your phone and computer at the same time. Aside from that, using this site is pretty easy. All you need to do is search this one on Google or Play Store. As you can see, it is rated 4.2 stars out of 5 and has about almost 25,000 reviews. So, just install the app and let it run in the background. With that, you will already be mining cryptocurrency in no time. There is no need for you to stop what you are doing because the app can still mine without the need for opening it all the time. Your phone will not even run differently when using this one. However, if you are going to use a computer, there will be more additional steps that you need to complete, but it will be simple. The first step is to download the CryptoTab browser on our computer. Now, this is going to run the same as any browser such as Google Chrome. The only key difference is that while surfing the internet with CryptoTab browser, you will be earning. To show you, here is what CryptoTab browser is going to look like. And as you can see, on the left bottom corner, it displays the current rate of Bitcoin and the current balance that you have. Though what you earn in this method is not that big, what's great about this is that we can use multiple devices. And this is not the only method that I will introduce to you. To start earning in CryptoTab browser, all you need to do is raise the bar. If you want to use the maximum capacity of your device, you have to raise this one all the way up. But if you're going to use it for some other demanding task, you can just limit it somewhere in the middle. There are many factors that may affect your hash rate. It could be your internet connection and the capabilities of your computer. The hash rate determines your mining speed. And if you want to increase your speed, you can use this Cloud Boost feature, but in this one, you need to pay. Once you start mining, its mining speed is going to grow steadily. And as mentioned before, you can use CryptoTab browser on multiple devices such as on your phones or your computer. But if you think what you earn here is not enough, here is another mining tool called StormGain. In this method, you can earn free Bitcoin daily. There is no battery or CPU damage, and there is no need for any fancy or expensive mining equipment. And this is also fast and risk-free. This one is a Bitcoin cloud miner, which means that there is no additional strain on your device when using this one. Well, what you can do here is you can mine up to 0.03 Bitcoin every day. And 0.03 Bitcoin is a lot of money. However, that will only be true if you'll get into the uppermost level, but if you are still starting out and this is your first time using this mining software, then you're going to start at the basic level. By doing that, you are going to get this amount of money every month. So let us add all of that together with the amount of Bitcoin we are going to earn on the previous site. This is the amount of Bitcoin that we are going to earn. So this one is a 4-step process. The first step is you have to sign up on stormgain.com. After that, you have to register and go to the dedicated miner page. The third step is you have to hit the big green activate button, then you'll get your first mining reward after 4 hours. And lastly, of course, you are going to repeat the operation while at the same time increasing your mining speed. But here is the thing about this tool. It actually has some great potential because as you are going to progress through the levels, it is going to increase your monthly earnings. For example, you will get into the gold level, you are going to earn this extra dollar per month. And for platinum, you are going to earn this one, and so on all the way up to the VIP 3 level. But let us not get ahead and take one step at a time. Keep in mind that in Stormgain, the mining feature is not their main focus. Instead, they focus more on trading crypto. So if you want to level up here, mining crypto is not enough. Instead, you also need to trade some cryptocurrencies. In simple terms, the higher your trading volume is, the faster you can mine. But if this is your first time, being at the basic level is already more than enough because what you earn here is all for free. And since we are still far from our goal, this next tool is going to save us as it has an earning potential of about $95 per month with the use of your standard gaming PC. And if we are going to add that to the previous total that we have reached our goal. Here, there is no investment needed. There is also no need for any fancy and expensive equipment, and no need for a special skill or knowledge. So how does this one work? First off, this tool is called Cryptex. It is a Windows app that pays you for the computing power of your PC. What they do is combine the processing power of thousands of computers to run complex distributed crypto computations. All they need to do is keep the app running in the background, and they will pay you for the work your computer does. So it all comes down to your PC's processing power. This is also a 4-step process. The first step is to download the app as it will test your PC's performance and estimate its expected earnings. So what you are going to earn depends on the component your PC has. Second step is to create your account. All you need to do here is enter your information such as email. The next step is just to keep Cryptex running. There is no need to stop what you do because you can use other apps while Cryptex is running in the background. And finally, the last step is you getting paid. It has a minimum withdrawal about $0.50, so if you have 50 cents in your balance, then you are good to go. And at this point, you are earning this amount already. And if you are going to start enough, you can then reinvest this to a more genuine mining rate, which is going to be more profitable in the long run. There you have it, some ways to earn free Bitcoin in different sites. What do you think? Don't forget to show some love by smashing the like button down there and comment how this works for you.